Sizzling hot wings. Check that out. Delicious. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, Cantonese Food Recipes. I'm Andrew and today I'll be showing you guys how to make some Char Siu, air fryer Char Siu chicken wings. Very tasty barbecue chicken wings out of the air fryer. Over here I've got about 12 chicken wings over here, cleaned, nicely cleaned. So yeah, I'll show you guys how to make them now. Okay, let's get cooking. Okay guys, so here is 12 chicken wings. Now I'll be showing you guys how to marinate these chicken wings for the Char Siu air fryer barbecue chicken wings here. Let's marinate. Okay, first I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of salt. Next I'm going to sprinkle some white pepper. Okay, next a little quarter of a teaspoon of chicken bouillon powder. We are not adding no sugar into this because when we're air frying and when there's sugar, the chicken wings will burn up very quickly. Since we're going to be making a glaze to glaze the chicken wings and that contains a lot of sugar, we won't be marinating the chicken wings with any sort of sugar. Guys, before this video continues, I would like to thank everyone for subscribing to my YouTube channel. It has hit 70k subscribers, which I'm very happy, and we're on target to reach 100k by the end of 2024. So I'd like to thank everyone for subscribing and liking and commenting on my videos. It really means a lot to me, and it also supports my life and my family. So thanks guys for tuning in. Let's continue cooking. Okay, next a little drizzle of oyster sauce. I think oyster sauce have a tiny bit of sugar, but not that much. Just a little bit is enough. A little drizzle all around chicken wings. Okay, next a good drizzle of soy sauce. That's 1 drizzle. Give it 2 drizzles. And next you gotta have some Chinese rice wine. There you go. Good drizzle of sesame oil. And a good amount of olive oil. Just like that. Maybe a little bit more. Because we're air frying and we need that oil. Okay, now we're gonna mix these chicken wings up. Give it a good mix. Okay, once you give it a good mix, we're going to add in some cornstarch to thicken up the sauce. We're going to check how much sauce you have in the bowl over here. It's quite a lot, so maybe I'm going to be adding in 2 heaped tablespoons of cornstarch to thicken the sauce so that the sauce will stick onto the chicken wings for the marination. Adding 2 heaped tablespoons here. And mix. And it will also prevent, while you're air frying the chicken wings, it'll prevent all that the good sauce from dripping out of the chicken wings here. So yeah, that's what cornstarch can do for the wings. Very quick and easy, simple recipe you guys can make. Delicious barbecue chicken wings. Okay, you can see it's still a bit saucy after 2 heaped tablespoons of cornstarch. It's fine like this. We're just going to be marinating it. We don't need so much sauce to stick onto the chicken wings. Okay, I'm just going to cling wrap this and leave it in the fridge overnight to marinate. Or if you're in a rush, you can marinate for 1 hour and then you can pop these into the air fryer. Okay guys, so here are the 12 wings. It has been marinated in my fridge for about 2 days. I didn't have the time to cook them straight away, but anyways, 2 days is still fine. We just need to mix it up. Mix it up and get all that flavor fused back onto the chicken wings before we pop it into our air fryer over here. So let's just give this a quick mix. Okay, let's pop all our wings into the air fryer here. My air fryer placed it on tin foil. I'm first going to pop all the wings by this side, not from the base area of the wing, just this side. Just go layer it nicely all over the tin foil over here. Okay, nice. Just exactly 12 wings can fit into my air fryer over here. Now I'm gonna pop these into the air fryer at 180 degrees or 360 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Then we'll flip it around. Okay, while the wings are air frying, let me show you my char siu glaze. First, I'm gonna add in 3 teaspoons of sugar. I'm gonna drizzle some oyster sauce. Just all around. Okay, then we're gonna drizzle some honey all around. And lastly, we're gonna add in some BBQ Char Siu sauce over here. Add in. Just add in 2 teaspoons. Let's just make it 3. Okay, now we're just gonna mix this up. We're not gonna add in no soy sauce because soy sauce is salty. We want that sweet kind of barbecue flavor. Okay, just give that a quick mix. Then once the chicken wings are air fried nicely, then we will coat it and then we'll air fry it again. Okay, 10 minutes is up. Let's check out these wings. Okay, looking good. Let's flip it around. Okay, let's pop them in for another 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Okay guys, after 10 minutes, check these out. Okay, they're looking good. You can see a lot of the blood parts of the chicken wing is cooked, so basically the wings inside is already nice and juicy. If you hit it at 200 degrees, you're gonna get like kind of like dry wings, but now at 180 degrees it's very juicy. Okay, now we're going to just mix up our sauce over here. We're gonna give the wings a good glaze. Okay, let's glaze the wings over here. We're gonna glaze it and then we're gonna give it a good air fry. Must remember that this is sugar. This glaze is a lot of sugar, so you must also watch temperature when we are air frying these wings, or else it will burn the chicken wings, and you don't want that. Nice delicious char siu barbecue wings. You can see that color of that char siu over here. Oh yeah. Okay, we just gonna glaze this side first. Let it air fry, just for the sauce to melt onto the wings. Okay, let's hit this at 180 degrees for 3 minutes. Okay, let's check these wings. Oh, wow, can you see that? Give it a close up here. Wow, look at that color. Let's flip these wings around and give it a quick glaze again. Okay, let's glaze the wings again. You want that sugary char siu sauce to stick onto the wings after we air fry it. We're gonna do a final air fry. We're gonna hit it for 5 minutes, then we'll take this out. Okay, let's check the wings out. Wow, sizzling hot wings. Let's plate them. You don't want to leave these wings in the air fryer, or else it will continue to cook and the juiciness of the wings won't become juicy anymore. Become dry if you just leave them inside the air fryer. Nice barbecue wings over here. Okay, let's check these out. Wow, BBQ Char Siu chicken wings. Very quick and easy recipe. Okay guys, let's give these wings a try. Hey guys, here are my wings. Check that out. Wow, let's check that out. Delicious. Okay, let's give these wings a try. Let's check that out. BBQ Char Siu chicken wings. Look at the color. Nice. Let's give this a try. The chicken wings were marinated for 2 days. All that flavor went into the chicken wings, and then now you coat it with that sugary barbecue char siu sauce that we just made. Damn, you get two tastes in this chicken wing. So delicious. Guys, thanks guys for watching, and yeah, don't forget to like this video. Thanks guys.